This conference will now be recorded.
So now in this case, if you see this, okay, for the given statements, you have three different possible diagrams, but which is common among all these three is actually this first and second both are wrong, because all cars or fans is not possible in all diagrams. Some fonts or fans or cars is not possible in first diagram. So both conclusions are false, right? Now say this case, all the trucks are filed. So all trucks are flies. Some scooters fly. So I can draw like this also, some scooters flies. Maybe this is one possible. Some now here all trucks are flies. Some scooters flies. The scooters may touch trucks also, but we can't say confirm. Now let's see about this two diagrams, two possible diagrams. Either this one or this one are possible for the given statements. Now all trucks are scooters. No. Some scooters or trucks is correct only in second diagram, whereas in first diagram scooters and trucks are not connected. So both are wrong, neither one nor two. See what are the possible diagram we should draw all, and whether your conclusion is correct in all situations or not, we have to check. Okay, my second conclusion is correct only in first the second one diagram, not in first one, so it's neither one nor two. Now here all buildings are chalks, no chalk is toffee. So now this is the diagram. Okay, so all buildings are chalks, no chalk is toffee. Now no building is toffee is correct. All chalks are building, no, some chalks. So when all buildings are chalks, some part of chalks, this part is not inside the building. So some chalks are building is correct. When all buildings are chalks, reverse is some chalks are buildings. So we can't say all chalks are building, that's not correct. Only first one correct. So conclusion one follows. For the given diagram, this is the correct. Okay, only one possible thing we have. Okay, so once you try this, we got only conclusion one follows. Right? Now here all the pencils are pens, all pencils are pens, all pens are inks. So all pencils are inks are correct because pencils entire is inside the inks, so it's correct only. Whereas just now we discussed all the pencils are inks, reverse is some inks are pencils, so both are correct actually. First conclusion is correct, automatically second one is correct because in inks some part of inks. Now see this pencils and inks only. Yeah, some part of inks are inside the pencil, not entire part. Only some part of inks are inside the pencils. So both one and two follows. Both conclusion follows. Now this model we discussed, no door is wall. All windows are doors, no door is wall. Now door and wall are not connected, so wall and door also not connected. Some windows or walls is wrong because windows and walls are not connected. Only conclusion two follows. All windows are doors, no door is wall. Door and wall are not connected, so no wall is door is automatically corrected. But windows and walls are not at all connected as per this. So only conclusion two follows. Now similar thing, all actors are girls. All girls are beautiful. This is what they given. Now from this, all actors are beautiful. We can say that some girls are actors. Yes, all actors are because is some part of girls is not inside the actors. When all actors are girls, some girls are actors is correct, right? Pens are pencils. No pencil is cap. Clearly, pencil and cap are not related here. Cap and pencil related, cap and pencil related, both are wrong. So neither one nor two. Directly, my second statement is no pencil is cap. Pencil and cap are not at all related. Conclusion 1 and conclusion 2 are relating cap and pencil. That's definitely wrong. That's why neither one nor two. Temples. Now here, yes, some temples are huts. Yes, this is huts. This is temples. Some part of temples is definitely in the huts. Is correct. Some temples are mansions. Is also correct. These two are correct. So both 1 and 2 follow because this is mansions. This is temples. Some part of temples is definitely inside the mansion. So both are correct. Conclusion 1 and 2 definitely follows. Now see this, all eye drops are liquid, some eye drops are ear drops. Drinkable is not discussed, so you can't assume something. Because they given a paragraph above the question, you can't assume something here. What are they given, you have to consider that is the correct statement. Drinkable is not at all discussed in the statement, so we can't assume this is wrong. Now all eye drops are liquids, some eye drops are ear drops. So all eye drops are liquids, all eye drops are liquids. Okay. Some eye drops are ear drops. Some eye drops are ear drops. Now, all liquids are eye drops. That is wrong as per this diagram, which we developed from the given statements. So, none follows.